So the end of a year, the end of a decade, the start of a new year, it's always a time to reflect back on the past. And boy, what a year 2019 was. Personally, a ton of things happened. Went ahead and got married this year, had a baby, so it's been crazy in that aspect. Business-wise, it's been the best year that DCF has ever had. It's also been insane because we moved studios again. Now I'm able to have a studio, work from home, and I think if you offer that opportunity to almost anybody, to have that freedom to work from home, be your own boss, it's kind of a dream come true, and it's something that I never really envisioned being able to achieve. So that's just incredible to do. And if we look back at some things that happened here, business-wise in the past year, when we were here 365 days ago here on YouTube, the most viewed video that we had probably had around 38,000 views. We had just under 5,000 subscribers. And if you offered this opportunity for us to have a video that has 1.1 million views, we now have over 80,000 subscribers. I think this is something that anybody would take 10 out of 10 times. So it's easy to say you wish you could have done more, or you wish you would have achieved more, but it has been an insanely big year for us here on YouTube, and we couldn't be more thankful that we're able to do this thanks to you guys. So thank you guys for all of your support. If we look forward to what we want to do in the upcoming year, I want to actually put some goals here on YouTube, so then 365 days from now we can look back on this and say, did we actually achieve those goals, and actually make them quantifiable and measurable. So the first thing that we want to do is actually host our first course where you guys will be able to come and learn how to customize shoes in person. Not just through YouTube videos, not just watching tutorials, not just through live streams, but be able to come in person, meet us, and we're gonna teach you how to do everything when it comes to customizing shoes. And we've already mentioned that this is something that we have planned upcoming here in Chicago early in the spring, most likely right in the middle of April. But to up that a level, we want to bring this course to another city in the year 2020. So we not only want to have our first one here in Chicago, we want to actually have a second one in a different city, a different state, step outside of our comfort zone, go to a place that we don't know anything about, and host a custom sneaker course. So that's something that we're really looking forward to do. If we talk about an analytical goal that we want to do here on YouTube, we want to go even bigger, and we want to try to achieve 250 subscribers by the end of 2020. And we want to make sure to put out at least one video every single week for the entire year. So that means a minimum of 52 videos coming at you guys for the upcoming year. We're really excited about that. And then if we had a little bit more of a broad general goal, something that we'd like to achieve business-wise in the upcoming year, we want to collab with some more people, whether that be bringing more custom sneaker artists onto the channel somehow, or collabing with them. We also want to step outside of this little niche that we're in and collab with other YouTubers, other content creators, just other creative people, somehow bring them into the channel. So that's something we really want to do. But being that it's the end of the year, we really just want to say thank you to all of you guys for watching all of these videos here on YouTube, allowing us to do what we love. It's been absolutely insane. There's so many of you guys who have been supporting us from the start, so we really couldn't be just more thankful for that. There's so many of you guys that send us your shoes through DMs and emails and say, you inspired me to start, and you want to get some feedback or something like that. And there has been thousands of those emails and DMs over the past year. So to be able to reach this many people and inspire them to just start and create, it's just absolutely insane and really living the dream. So thank you guys for that. And, we want to say thank you to all of the amazing contestants who participated in these two contests that we held this year. The turnouts were absolutely insane. So to be able to put this idea into the universe that we want to host a contest for people to do custom sneakers based around a certain theme, and to have this many people participate, we had well over 50 in each of them with a short time frame. It's insane. So thank you guys for that. Thank you to all of the other artists who participated in the Reviewing Your Custom segment, where they trusted us to send in their shoes and wanted feedback and constructive criticism for us. Thank you guys for that. So we got plenty more coming at you guys. Thank you for joining us for this, the first video out of 52. Big things coming at you guys in the upcoming year. So we also want to give a massive congratulations to OCD Custom, the winner of the DCF Christmas contest. So that's all we have for you guys for video 1 of 52. We really want to get back to the basics and tailor a lot of our content around topics that you guys want to learn more about. So like we used to say, please send us those video suggestions on topics you guys would like to learn more about, and we'll see you guys in that next video.